Hey guys, it is Ayla Kettle, and I am playing Roblox minigames. And we're playing Four Corners, so let's play. I haven't really been in this. Oh. Well, I just died. Let's put some other people. This sounds a little bit loud. By the way, I'm wearing earphones, so it's a little bit noisy as well. Let's get my volumes right up. Oof. Oh, is that done? Oh. Oof. Over for 5! Ooh, I think I've never actually played this one.
I've never played this one. Okay, probably. Okay, probably.
Becky, you're here! Oh.
You tell me what you're doing this week.
It's all fair on this side, not fair! I'm one of them say okay. Oh good. Not fair. Oh no, red team, come on!
Anyway, there's a water playing.
Okay. So all of this can by the way. So if you hear noises, it's my little brother. He's just standing right next to the computer. Okay. They have this in another game, but it's much better. I don't know. No, this guy's following me. I know my way. Second, if you look up the way, you're able to see where you're supposed to go. Wait, what's the middle? Oh, I thought I was going the right way. Oh my god, this is difficult. Oh god, no. Where's the middle? Oh. Wait, what? Oh. I'm stuck. Yay!
You tell me. Dude.
Okay, factually, I've actually, when I play this, it doesn't work.
Oh, playing that. Not there. Con tàu trẻ phê. Con tàu trẻ phê. Cái nó có tàu trẻ phê.
8 cubes. Oh, tie! How was that tie? Wait, we were on the red team, didn't we? Didn't we? Yeah. I've never played this one. Is this a new one? Okay, yesterday I was playing this game and we found some people hacking me, my friend. I wonder if she's going to join, but...
I got it one.
I'll use my weapons.
I'm not very. Really?
Oh, we're dead. Skilled. Who's in that team? Were we the blue? Yeah, we were the blue, right? Yeah, we were the blue. Oh!
Who won that game?
Ooh! So dark.
Oh, I can watch this city.
Oh my god.
Mom, what do you want? My dad don't dare.
There's a door here. What happened if it's not in the way? Why do I keep on ending back here? I fell in the ground. It's so hard to see in that game. Are they twinning or something? Right underground grove. Oh, I hate the fun. Oh, if you touch the wire. Oh, I don't know how to play that. See the look at my life. Would you survive? New Bombo. Oh, I've seen my little play this before. See, it was fun. Oh, No. Oh, the guy's AFK, so we're fine. He'll just upload. I'm the bomb, I'm the bomb. I'm fine. I'm the bomb. Okay, I'm safe. That was kind of easy. 7 acorns. Well, there's not a lot of people in this server. 18 wins. 2 wins until I level up. Bombs away! Oh, I like this one. Oh, I'm usually speaking. No, I exploded! After this game, this will be our last game to watch. Hello, Dad. So guys, that's the end of this video. And goodbye.